it's me Alex, and today I'm gonna be showing you my car collection. I have, look at this, a whole bunch of cars. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you all of them. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell notifications and the subscribe. Maybe I said that before. You're not. I mean, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. So yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you the first one. This is Mack, the truck, without his thing. We actually have this Mack in the game of PlayStation 4, Driven to Win. Yeah, he's very cool. So yeah. So the second one I'll show you is this guy. He's very cool. So yep. So yeah. And the other one I have is this one. It's Cal, the dinosaur car. He's from Cars 3. He's very cool. And I have two Chick Hicks. One's with no headset, and the other one for Cars 3 with headset. I really want to take it off because I wonder if it looks like very cool without his headset. But I don't even know. I already have this one, but it's from Cars 1. So yeah. And this guy, he's kind of cool. I'm wondering what he looks like that he has his headset off. So this guy, we had him from Driven to Win too, but with no headset. It's like this. Yeah. And I'm gonna be showing you my two Lego McQueens. This one is from Cars 2 maybe, and this one is from Cars 3. Yeah, so it's kind of cool. It looks like, and this is the back of it. My favorite one, the back, is this one. It looks very cool. It's more redder. So yeah, and I'm gonna be showing you color changer Lightning McQueen. It's kind of a little bit red because the air condition. We have all the air conditions on. Comment down below if you see he's kind of a little bit red. Yeah, he is. So the other one I'm gonna be showing you it's from Cars 2. Lewis Hamilton. He looks like Jackson Storm, but you notice is that I do have a Jackson Storm. I always wanted one, and here it is, a Jackson Storm. Yeah. And I have it's not from Cars. It's Blaze the monster truck. I wanted to use him as Cars 2, Cars, but he's not from Cars. It's from Blaze, Nick Jr. And next up we have Wingo. I kind of scratch it a little bit because I always scratch cars. And the next one I'm going to be showing you is the Crash Lightning McQueen from Cars 3 and the Crash Lightning McQueen from Cars 2. I just wanted to make one because I wonder what he looks like that he crashed in Cars 2. Yeah. So this is, I'm going to be showing the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. It's kind of all scratched up. He's a little scratch because he was like flipping in the air and like he hit a wall. Then he would like float around. But I couldn't take off his spoiler. It's kind of hard. But this one did. It take off. Got taken off. Yeah. It is very cool in here, but as you can see, I have a ball. I think it was like in in 2019, I found an orange ball in my. It was from near in front of my neighbor's yard. So yeah, I found it. I never had a ball. So the next, speaking. Oh, where were you? Where? Oh yeah. Okay. So I have the king. He looks scratched up. Yeah, this is the king. Wait, does Tao look like that? The king? Yeah, a little bit. What's the number of his? Oh, 40, 43, 42. Another one is not from Cars 3 or 1. It's Cars 2. It's the Japanese car. Shutadoroki. I don't have like this size of this. Wait, no. Like this size? I couldn't find one. It's cool. It's cute. So the next one I'm going to be showing you is the Fabulous Lightning McQueen. He's cool. Ooh, I feel kind of cold. I'm going to go and I'm not going to cut the video. I'm just going to pause the video, okay? So hold on. Okay, so I'm kind of cold too. But so, yeah, what do you mean to say that? So, there's Toby, Annoying Orange. Her plays Mr. Tomato. Shocked over. So, I'm gonna be, where were we? Alright, so, next one is Miguel Camino. Is from, what's the name? España? Yeah. It's from Cars 2. So the next one is not from Cars 2 or it's not from Cars 1, 2 or 3. It's like a Hot Wheels car. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so I'm sorry to the silence, and this car, I don't know what's the name. Let me know in the comments below. Who you know? You know who it is. Fox wheel drive. So the next one is got a little bit far. Muddy Lightning McQueen. Good Dr. Hello. Ah! Sorry. And the next one we have is Dr. Damage. He's an ambulance. So yeah. The next one is from Cars 2. Is the Brazil car. Oh my gosh. See? So the next one I'm gonna show you is this guy. I like this spoiler. And there's another one of like him, but except for the different color of the spoiler. Where is he? Where is he? I don't see him. Hold on. Okay guys, I finally found him. He's right here. See? Those are the two cars that I couldn't. This is the different cars that they were training about cruise. Ramirez? This one is from number 3, and this one is number 49. Oh my god, I didn't even notice I will bounce. This is the Piston Cup. Oh, I dropped the camera. Sorry. And this is, so yeah, this is Cruz Ramirez, but like, I don't know what's the name. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna be showing you is Stop Spotted. I have like a Nemo sticker right there. And also I have like, wait, do I have 2? Oh, I just realized. I didn't even notice I have 2 of Cars 1 and Cars 3. This is from Cars 3, Stop Spotted. And this is from Cars 1, Stop Spotted. They're the exact same, but it's of a different color. Here, I'll put it in the ground and I'll zoom in. Okay. Yeah. So the next one I'm gonna be showing you is Smokey. It's kind of cool. Actually, you can put something like a Piston Cup. Wait, does it fit? No. But he can hold on a tire. Hold on, let me find the tire. Do I have like a tire around here? Hold up. Okay guys, it took me a long time, so I found a tire. Let's see if it fits. It fits. Yeah, forget about this tire. And Smokey. So the next one is the Team Dyna. Let's see, little guy. Found. Go. The Team Dynaco. We got him from Stevens. We found it. And yeah. So the next one I'm gonna be showing you is, I know I recorded Doc Hudson. Let me see if Fabulous Lightning McQueen and Doc Hudson are the same. They look the same to me, except for the logo right here. Wait, what's that say? Let me zoom in a little closer. Twin G Powers. Fabulous Cousin Horton. So yeah. And this is Fabulous Rusty's. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. So yeah. Oh, they're like the numbers on there, so it thinks it looks like Doc Hudson. Yeah. So the next one, it's oh, you realize I added 2 Stop Spotters. I didn't remember. I had Twinsies. This one is like the Crash one. And this one is like the normal one, but a little bit scratch. Comment down below which one is the Crash one. This one or this one? Yeah. And the next one I'm going to be showing you is Francesco Ranoli. See you at the finish line, McQueen. Sorry, I just wanted to do that. So, the next one I'm going to be showing you is... you notice this racer? I don't know what his name is, but I don't know. So, never mind. But you notice my favorite. I didn't want to show all the racers because all the characters because it will take too long. So, my favorite ones you notice is Lightning McQueen, and that's not all. Finn McMissile, and that's not all yet. My last favorite one is this racer. I tried to find him every day, and I found him. These are my 3 favorite characters. So yeah, this is all my characters. So I see a Chew. Yeah, recorded from here. See? Here, flip it. There we go. So hold up, I'm gonna cut the video so I can show you all about that. Okay guys, it takes me for a long time, but I finally finished. So this is my collection, and this is my big collection. And this is my whole collection of tiny cars. I'm gonna do it like this. This is all my collection, and this is my big collection. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications and hit the like button. So I see you in the next episode. Bye. Peace out.